Hey, in this video, I will tell you how you can make at least $1,000 with affiliate marketing on YouTube and 5 strategies you can use to increase your conversions rapidly. So, I was drinking my morning tea today and I opened up my mail to see a few sales notifications one after another. I think I made about $100 in a day even before my day started, and out of that, at least $50 was to be attributed to YouTube videos. While these were the sales from my own products, it got me thinking about how newbie YouTubers are missing out the opportunity to promote someone else's product and earn cash for these sales. Think about it. Business owners have already created products, digital or otherwise, digital or physical, and people buy them constantly. So you know that it is a tested product and that people buy them. The business owners promote them, advertise them, and have a sales funnel right behind it which works. Everything is set up. All you have to do is to get someone to click on one link. It is as simple as that. In this video, we will go over how you can make money on your new YouTube channel with affiliate links and 5 tricks that has helped me make more than $5,000 in affiliate marketing both from my blog and this small YouTube channel. If you watch this video entirely, in the next 30 days, you will find yourself waking up excited each and every morning, motivated to work on more and more videos, spend more time on YouTube, and finding sales notification every other day to begin with. So now let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Chavi, the owner of Mrs. Tapu Studio, a 5-figure blogger and a work from home expert. I create videos about making money and living a location independent life each and every week, so don't forget to hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. Let's start with the basics. So the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is all about promoting someone else's product or services on your YouTube channel. When someone uses your customized link to make a purchase, to purchase that item, you will receive a small commission for that sale. Your viewers will need to take an action for you to earn any sort of commission. That action could be anything like a purchase, or click on the link, sign up for a mailing list, etc. When that action is completed, you have earned the commission for that action. Now, the commission you earn depends on what you're promoting and what is the affiliate program rules and regulations. Now, for example, Amazon gives out anywhere from 4 to 10% commissions to their affiliates. There are some affiliates that give you a fixed amount for each and every sale that you make. Now, are there any legal requirements? This is an extremely important question and you need to know this. You should research a bit and educate yourself on how it works for your own country. However, though, regardless of where you are situated, whether you're in the US, in India, anywhere in this world, there is one best practice when it comes to not breaking the law with affiliate marketing. And that is always, always, always disclose that it's an affiliate link. Now, how does affiliate marketing work? When you sign up to become an affiliate for a product, you will get access to certain customized links. Those links are unique to you. So any sales that are made can be traced back to you and attributed to you so they can give you commissions. Now, most of the times, affiliate links will have a unique ID at the end. Now, a lot of bloggers and a lot of YouTubers use plugins like Pretty Links to hide or brand their link. Now, this is not necessary. It is completely okay to use your full links. Now, I do that personally. The other thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing is the cookie period. Now, your sales are tracked through a cookie that attaches to the reader's computers when they click on the link. I'm sorry if that went over your brains, but stay with me. It stays on the computer until they clear the cookies from the settings or it gets over. Now, affiliate programs will have different kinds of attribution periods for this cookie. That means a viewer can be cookied for 15 days, 30 days, 6 months, 365 days, or lifetime. Now, this depends on the creator of the affiliate program. What you need to know is this. Now, if an affiliate program has a 365-day cookie, even if your viewers don't make a purchase right away after clicking your link, there is a chance that you will still receive credit for that sale 1 or 2 months down the road. Now, cookie period, in short, is your window to make the commission. If your viewers buy a product within that cookie period, you will be attributed with the commission. Now, how do you get started? And how does the process look like in the beginning? Now, your first action step is to find which products you can promote. Which products fit the needs of your audience? People who are watching your videos, what are they most likely to buy? You can do this by signing up for different affiliate portals like Amazon, Share a Sale, Commission Junctions, ClickBank, etc. Now find out if that product has an affiliate program and apply to be an affiliate for that. Now if you're accepted to the program, that is how you will get your customized and unique affiliate links. The third action item is to develop a plan for promotion of that product. That means you can promote it in your videos, maybe create a video particularly for that product, mentioning them in your videos constantly or mentioning it in your description box below. Now share your unique affiliate links in the description box and ask people to go check it out and click on it. Once you have done all of these, you can start earning commissions for the conversions that you make. Now, what is the earning potential with affiliate marketing? And I know you're not going to like this answer, but a lot will depend upon your niche and the kind of products you sell and how engaged your audience is. I know that stinks because everyone told you that you can make money with affiliate marketing anywhere, anytime, and a lot of money, but I think you will definitely struggle in some niches. You will definitely struggle to make some niches work for yourself. If you think you fall under this category or think that you have chosen a very small niche, you can always broaden it a little bit and see what your audience is generally interested in. Niches are not your parents, so you can definitely change them or modify them to ensure that you're making money from your channel. The only thing you need to remember is that you need to be relevant for your audience and ask yourself if they will buy it or if it solves a problem for them. Now, what are the kind of products that you can promote via affiliate marketing? It could be anything. It could be digital products like ebooks, printables, courses, workbooks, binders, apps, services, etc. Or physical products like homeware, kitchenware, or anything you can do a review about like phones, computers, or anything you buy on Amazon. Why should you have affiliate marketing on your channel? Now, this is a $1 million question because frankly, you are leaving money on your table if you are not utilizing affiliate marketing. Now, people are buying so many products each and every day that you might as well make money from it. But here are 3 reasons. And the first one is it is one of the easiest, fastest, and the most effective way to monetize your channel with zero investment. And who doesn't like that? The second one is that you can test out what your audience is interested in buying before you can monetize your channel with your own digital products. Now, if you already know what your audience is interested in, you can check out this video on how to sell digital products on a small YouTube channel. And the third one is, even if you do not get monetized with YouTube Partner Program, if you're far away from their thresholds, affiliate marketing can help you scale your business and increase your profits by leaps and bounds. Now, let's talk about a few strategies to boost your conversions. The first one is time. You should always have an eye on the time of the year it is and encash the holiday buzz. For example, if it is Black Friday, make videos on Black Friday sales on products, services, etc. You can also make videos on Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Women's Day, or seasonal content like X things for summers or X things for fall, etc. The next one is trends. Now you can check the trending content on YouTube from the left side on your app or go to the Google Trends and select YouTube search to see what is trending. Do not forget to set the time you're looking at. I would prefer to set it somewhere 3 months or the past month and see what is trending right now. Have an eye on what is trending in the news and make videos for that. So for example, stimulus checks in the US, Apple launches, etc. The third one is focus on products with higher commission rates. While you can promote anything and everything that you trust, focus on promoting products with a higher commission rate. So for example, certain products can have 10% commission rate and some have 30 to 40%. Now you will earn much more quickly by selling lesser amount of products if that product has a higher commission rate. The next one is to talk about it in the start of your video. Plus, see your average watch time and ensure that you have put your links before that. In short, check out what is the average watch time in your YouTube analytics and try to talk about your product before that. You want your audience to hear about it right in the beginning before the drop off. You want them to check it out and click on that link. Now, the next one is to create specific videos for your affiliate links. Now, this is one of the best tips I can give you to accelerate affiliate income. If you create affiliate focused content, you will see conversions a lot faster. Some examples of affiliate related content would be gift ideas for Father's Day or gift ideas for Women's Day, 10 items you always take on your road trip, etc. Talk about the products that you use. So 5 tips. Focus on time of the year, focus on the trends, promote products with higher commission rate, talk about these products in the start of each video, and create videos specific to your affiliate programs. Now there you go. This is all about affiliate marketing on YouTube channels and how you can make money. Now you can go ahead and watch the videos on how to sell digital products on YouTube and 10 digital product ideas for new YouTubers and start making money from a small channel without getting monetized. Now I create videos each week on making money, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.